So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to drop one of these little tiny rocks. Let's see how much echo there is. Well, that was disappointing. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video here today, a little Fiddly Bits video. I got a couple things. I got some mail, some stickers, and an odd tool that I want to get your guys' opinion on and see if you know what exactly it is, how it works. So let's get right into it. I'm going to open up this package that I got from John Strange. You may remember him, even though he's deleted some of his videos. Let's see what's in here. Feels a little bit weird. Jesus Christ! So John sent me a mail bomb. And I don't think I have any cuts. I'm not bleeding anywhere, apparently. But yeah, what is this, a bear trap you sending me here, John? Jesus. Whoa! So John sent me some bandsaw blades, which I really appreciate, for my little portaband bandsaw. They're a couple different different cutting sizes here. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit off. That was a little surprising. I kind of actually knew what was going to be in the box, and it was still surprising. So it looks like we have maybe 32 TPI, maybe 18, maybe 14, 18, 14, I'm not quite sure. I don't see any markings on here. I think he said he had found some Morse brand, which is the ones I use. These are great, man. I really appreciate this, John. These are going to go in my storage of bandsaw blades. They'll get used for sure. He told me that there was a little bit of rust on them, but they're in good shape. Nothing wrong with those. If you send me any more, you know, just wind them like that and put them flat. Put some wire around them. Okay, moving on. I got some stickers in from Australia. I got two loads of stickers from Australia. First one here came in was Swan Valley Machine Shop. This is a really nice sticker. I really like this. Max Grant at Swan Valley Machine Shop. Great channel, great stuff. Large engine work as well as you know, just general machine shop work. Great channel. He's been around for several years, and I'm sure that if you're subscribed to my channel, you're probably already subscribed to his. Same thing with the next guy, who is Maddie's Workshop. Also great channel. He won the Toolmakers he was one of the winners of the Toolmakers competition last year with his boring head, which was absolutely fabulous. It was awesome machine work. Really nice stuff. He says he's not a machinist. That's what he's told me. But yeah, I think he is. Along with the stickers, actually, Maddie also sent me this, which is really kind of cool. I don't know if you can really see this, but it's prismatic, I think they call this. So however you move the card, the kangaroos are looking at you, including the little Joey down there. These things always remind me of, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't tell the story, but they always remind me, my grandparents were pretty strict religious people, and they bought me a children's Bible back when I was a kid, and on the cover of it, it had one of these sort of prismatic pictures of Jesus, who would also follow you around as you looked around. I have to say that the kangaroos are much more my speed and much less creepy than Jesus doing that. Really cool. I appreciate it, Maddie, and I appreciate it, Max. Very nice. Took a while to get here. Mine took a while to get to Australia. I guess all the mail's like that right now. Those will go on my sticker board, as I've been saying, when I figure out what that sticker board is going to be. So I'm going to keep these in my stash, and very soon I promise I'm going to do some sort of sticker board, some sort of place where people can see them. The next thing is, and the last thing is, I was watching, speaking of Max Grant of Swan Valley Machine Works, I was watching his little short video the other day, and he used a tapping implement that was very similar to this. And from what I understand, the way these things work, they're reversing. These little tapping heads, these old style tapping heads, are reversing. And what happens is you go in and then you can pull it out, and as you pull it out, they either dislodge somehow or become separated from the movement of the spindle, shall we say, so that they will just work their own way out. At least I think that's how they work, though I'm not exactly sure. I asked Max if he'd do a little video on it, and maybe he will in the future. I hope he does. However, I think this one is different. I picked this up a few years ago. It was part of a lot of other parts, various parts, and it fits my machine, but I've actually never used it because I'm not quite sure if something's wrong with it or if it just doesn't work the way I think it does. Maybe it's part of a larger piece. Anyway, Ettco number 2, made by Ettco Tool Company, Brooklyn, New York. Seems to be all there. It does not move in any way. There's a tap in there right now, but the center section moves like this, and it is adjustable to crank down on the flats of the tap. This part has a gripping area. I can kind of see that in there maybe. So as you screw this down, it tightens up on the tap, like so. So basically it's a tap chuck. But the nice thing about the ones that I've seen was that you would go in under power, and then when you pulled out, it would actually release a clutch in here, and then it would allow you to back the tap back out, or even reverse. I'm not quite sure. Like I said, I've never used one of these. I don't know how they work. I don't know if this one is stuck. Maybe it's just stuck in there. As you can see, it looks like it's just a number 2 Morse taper that's been put in a taper here. I've never tried to remove it because frankly I didn't want to screw it up by trying to take it apart. The other thing is I can't take it apart. You can unscrew this to a certain extent. There may have been a set screw here. Was that a set screw, or supposed to be a set screw? I imagine that it might have been, but it might be a... I have no idea. I just don't have any idea. If anyone has ever had one of these or used one of these, knows what they are, or knows how they work, I'd appreciate any information you could relay. I've looked online and I can find Ettco number 2s, and what comes up is or a keyless drill chuck, or a tapping head that appears to be some sort of motorized tapping head. I have not found one of these. So if you have any information on it, please let me know. If they're completely worthless, you know, I'll put it on eBay as a curio. Anything you can tell me would be much appreciated. Alright guys, that's all I got. It's really quick fiddly bits tonight. I don't have any stories. I'm not showing my face. I don't even have a drink out here. I've been kind of working on a project that I'll have some video on. It's a fairing that I did some repairs on. I had a broken tab. But I'm just going to get back to looking at this because I could look at this all day. This is really cool. I'm easy to entertain. This is better than television. No, it's better than YouTube. I think I'll put this on my refrigerator. That way the Joey can follow me around. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.